Hey guys, welcome back to another beautiful project on Kala Poshana. This is Vishnu. I hope you guys are doing good. In today's video, I'm gonna make this beautiful wall hanging mandir. Normally in our houses, we like to do like an entryway mandir where we keep Ganesha idol. So I thought this would be perfect for it. So in today's video, I created a mandala style design on this pitam. I have actually used mandala dotting tools to make this project, so let's see how I have used them. And to get the authentic mandir look, I have actually used real brass bells. These are super easy to find on Amazon, and the mandir came out really good and I just love it. In person it looks so beautiful. Yeah, if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now without any delay, let's get started.
I'm using 8-inch and 6.75 wood bases here, which have some rounded corners and design to these. To make the mandir base attachment, I am actually marking like where exactly I need to attach the second wood piece. So here I'm marking like where exactly on the larger wood base I'll be attaching the smaller one, and then where to actually cut the smaller wood piece. So if you do like half of the wood base, it would not be enough for the idol, is what I felt. So I'm just doing like 3/4 size of the wood base that I have picked up. Here is a tip. Always mark the wood bases so that we get like a symmetric look when we are even cutting these wood bases or attaching them to the larger wood base. I'm using a hand saw to actually cut this wood base, because if you're gonna cut it with a machine a wood cutter, we might lose a lot of wood. So this is not a heavy duty wood that would require like a machine. I'm just using a hand saw. I just cut it like one side at a time, and then later I took this wood piece to the edge corner of the wood base where I'm cutting, and it was super easy to cut, and I think I finished it in like 5 minutes. After cutting the wood base, there were some uneven surface, so I just used some sanding paper to smooth the surface. I am marking the lines where exactly I'll be attaching the smaller wood base to the larger one, so that when I paint I have those marks and I can easily attach the smaller one. If you have followed my project, I always love to do a base white coat before adding the color, so that it gives like an enhanced color on the wood base or any given surface. So for the initial blue coat, if you see, there is a gap that I left here, so that's where I'll be attaching the smaller piece, so that I have that difference. So that's why I did like only one coat, and the rest I did like 2 to 3 coats to get my perfect blue color. Here I have drawn some circles, like where exactly I'll be creating my design. I did like half-inch circles in the middle and like 1-inch circle at the end, at the corner of the base. Later I added some floral design to this before adding the mandala dots design. Using a metal screw set here. First I'm fixing that to the back side of this larger wood block where I'll be using this holder to hang the frame to the wall. Before adding the dots, here I am doing some base colors with orange and black. I did like 2 to 3 coats to get color of the petals as orange and some black color. Later I started adding the dots. I always used to use a hairpin or toothpick to add my mandala dots. Finally, I bought myself mandala dot kit. So it's really helpful when you're doing larger versions of mandala dots, and I found these tools really helpful. So yeah, I have tried it on a couple of projects already, and I would definitely recommend these tools if you are trying mandala dots projects. It's really handy, and these tools come with like these are like paint brush, like these are little long, so that I was able to easily handle them. And then if you see here, I'm holding the tool perpendicularly to get the dots right with equal spaces. So yeah, I had fun making these mandala dot design. It came out really good. Cover the petals, I did some yellow color dots, some white and some red, and finally finished with some more yellow dots on these petals. Similarly, I finished the inner design with mandala dots. Please follow along to finish the design for the larger wooden piece and even for the smaller one, which we are gonna attach to the big 8-inch wood base. So here my wood base is ready. So before attaching this wood base to the larger wood base that I have created, I am adding some hooks for bells. I'm actually using some real brass bells to give that authentic mandir look here. So for that I'm marking where exactly I have to fit in the screws, and then later I have hanged some bells to these hooks. So I have used some wood glue and E6000 to attach the smaller pitum to the large wood base as shown here. I think it's enough for it to hold the wood glue and E6000, but if you feel you need more secure, you can actually add 2 more screws from backside to the base for extra security. But I have used wood glue and E6000 for a lot of projects, and it's enough for the weight that we are holding on this puja mandir. But if you feel you need you are using a larger item, you can definitely do some screws from the back side. And later I have let it dry overnight completely before adding the varnish. Beautiful hanging puja mandir decor is completed. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.